Welcome back to my channel. I'm Savira Millenita, and first thing first, I want to tell you guys that I'm gonna talk in English in this video because all of you, not all of you, I mean like some of you guys have requested me to, you know, talk in English because some of you guys be like, oh my god, I want to understand what you're talking about, why you're talking in Bahasa and I don't understand. Mostly it's my friends, my Malaysian friends, okay? So yeah, I make this happen for you guys, so hope you guys watch this video and like share these videos, okay? So yeah, and yeah, in this video I'm gonna use a new makeup brand which is Root Cosmetics. They have sent me some of their products and I'm gonna show you guys later and also give like just a little review of it. And if you guys wanna check their product, you guys can check it in their website, which is www.rootcosmetics.com, or also their Instagram, which is @rootcosmetics. And I forgot to tell you guys that I'm gonna make this makeup look today, which is like a special event party makeup look, I guess. So you guys can wear this in like a wedding party, birthday party, prom, or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys like this and please keep on watching. Okay guys, so first of all, I'm gonna show you guys all the products that Root Cosmetics sent to me. There are 5 products in total. Well, let us start with this one first. This is the primer oil, the Wishes Do Come True Glow Primer Oil, and this product is the one of the product that I really excited about because this product looks so cute in the packaging, okay? And like the thing inside is also, yeah, it's actually normal, but then it's, for me, it's kind of cute. But then if you haven't used it and like you keep it, it will be like, can you see? It's transparent color, like the glittery things is here.
So you have to like shake it off before you
use it. And then now it's become like this color, like the rose gold color. Okay, next, the second one, we have eyebrow pen. This is the color is in neutral brown. Let us see. Like seriously, this one I haven't opened it at all because I don't know, just like it's not so cute, so I'm not really curious. Because this one is like so cute, so I'm so curious about it. Okay, oh, this is the packaging, like a normal eyebrow pencil, but okay, so this is the pencil and the other side is the spoolie. Next, for the third one, we have eyeliner pen. Here's a Police eyeliner. Oh, the color is Bell Bond. I guess it's black. So this is, I also haven't opened this up. Oh, this one comes with a plastic. Here, can you see? There's a plastic. Okay, let us open it. Okay, here you go. Ta-da! Oh, so this is the tip of the eyeliner. Let me try it, okay? Alright, I think it's not bad. Okay, next we move to the fourth one. Here I have Root Fearless Face Palette. And there's a 6 color in this palette. 6 different colors. There's a highlighter, contour, and blush on. So here's all the color. It's so pretty and I really love it. But I never used this before. I only, that time, I just swatch on my hand. Move to the 5th and the last. It's a eyeshadow palette, which they make it as a magazine theme or whatever. So it's the Return of the Jet eyeshadow. There's a color at the back here which actually not really the same. So one of the reason I like these products is that they are cruelty free. Yeah, can you see it here? Yeah, it's cruelty free, means like they didn't test their products on animals, which will, you know, sometimes hurt animals, so they didn't. So there's 35 colors in total in this eyeshadow palette, but some of it just like, you know, see this one, it's manual, so sorry. Okay, so there's 35 colors and I really love the colors. They are so pretty and like, oh my god, I really love this one because they have a different version of the eyeshadow. This one have a thing anime something or whatever, but they still have another version and different color. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for the first step, of course, we're gonna use the primer oil.
So I'm gonna shake it off first.
Then I'll carefully
Shake it off and wait. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it.
I don't really like the smell of this primer oil because it's not smell good of oil, not like the fragrance oil or whatever, but they smell like you know, like auntie, uncle, or grandma oil that they usually use for their like maybe paint or whatever. Yeah, it smell like that. I kind of like this one because it feels so soft and it's so moisturized, and also have like some kind of bling bling, you know, the sparkly thingy. Yeah, and yeah, actually it's not that bad. I am loving it so far, but the thing is just the smell. I don't really like it. Okay, well, we move to the next step, which is foundation. Here I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless in the shade 125, which is the nude beige. I'm gonna apply the foundation with this Sigma Dual Fiber brush. We move to the next step, which is concealer. Here I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one in the shade Natural. And I'm gonna apply it under my super dark eye circle. Okay. And I'm also gonna apply it on my eyelid as a eyeshadow base. Next, move to powder. Here I'm gonna use Rimmel Stay Matte powder like this. I'm gonna use this brush. This is brush from Mineral Botanica to apply the powder to my face.
So I'm just applying it all over my face.
Okay, after powder, it's time for the eyebrow. Okay, I'm so excited. So first of all, I'm gonna use this pulley to tidy up my eyebrows here. I think I'm gonna use this, the sharper edge, to line it up first. So yeah. Okay, so I have lined the eyebrow. Now I will fill it up. Okay, for me, I love the eyebrow. I really love this part. I mean, because some eyebrow like this, the eyebrow pencil like this, the this part is not that sharp, you know, like this one is so sharp, so it's so easy for you to line up. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blending brush from Tamiya. This one, I'm gonna apply this color. So I'm gonna apply this color onto my crease. Okay, then after that I'm gonna take the darker color, which is this one, to my crease as well. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this brush from Mineral Botanica. This is Indonesian local product. Actually, I wanna say, before I forgot, I really like all the eyeshadow, all the colors are great, pigmentation great, but some of the color, I think the shimmer one, most of them, they tend to be powdery and, you know, have a lot of fallout, and they usually fall onto my cheek, and it's sometimes so annoying. And yeah, but overall they are nice. Okay, then after that I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna put it on my outer V and in front here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it again with a clean blending brush. Then this color for my eyelid, and I'm gonna use this Masami Shuko brush, and I'm gonna spray the brush with water so that it's gonna pick up the eyeshadow better. And I'm gonna put it here in the middle. After that I'm gonna blend it again so that it's blended well. Now I'm taking the eyeliner. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I don't really like the eyeliner, to be honest, because I don't feel like it's really pigmented and the color is not really pop out for me. We move back to the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take the brush just so that I used to take the dark color for the outer part. And I'm not gonna take any eyeshadow again. I'm just gonna take the leftover. I'm just gonna use the leftover from this brush to put it under my eyes. This color for the front side. Next we move to the eyelashes. I'm gonna use this fake eyelashes. Okay, now the eyelashes are done, my eye makeup is done. Now we move on to the next step. I'm gonna use blush on, and I'm gonna take the Root Peerless face palette, and I'm gonna take this peachy color. And I'm gonna use this color as a highlighter. I'm gonna apply with my finger, because finger is the best. Take this color for contour, just a bit. And then I also don't forget to, of course, contour my face. I'm almost done, and actually I forgot to highlight my brow bone. Last but not least, I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is Stay Matte Lip Cream from Not To Lip. This is also Indonesian local brand. Oh yeah, yeah, one more thing I forgot to use is that this one. It's the Bioderma Dermatological Water. I use this to set all the makeup. Okay?
Okay, so we are done. We are done. We are done.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video and this is the final look. And one more thing I want to say, thank you so much for Root Cosmetics. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, don't forget to give a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to share this video to all of your friends. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget also to turn on the bell thingy so that you can get notification next time. Okay guys? And I'll see you guys in my next video.